ke a goa ba se ba tetse ba re ba goa ke mjolo nna ke go se ke mjolo ke go se ke yona taba e siba ke robale ke ana ke ipotsa gore why ka re ka mbitsa mkhonazi mo le nteng le ke sa mtsipi cause nongiso getsile too much
o bolaile le ngwana ha ba mlatelang mntana ku o ntsha batho mahlo o tabula batho dibono ka thipa so re le community vele le community ya lla mara no bane o teng o ka re ba ya tshaba kana go a tlo tswa round 2 a tlo thola 6 hole ya ikopana le one ba 7 hole because wa bona re kana ka mkho a limetseng ka teng ba re na o ile la isoa ke mota botse msipha o ene so kono luzitse mmadi ao o felwa ke matla na so di whole tse buang ka tsona ke tse 6 tse song se small sa 7 maceba teng a ya thusa o hloko.
Hello and welcome back to the Hope Revolution podcast. My name is Mraro and I am overjoyed to have you back here with us one more time. We are back in studio today to hear another story that is here to uplift us and empower us as a country and raise our awareness to things that are happening so that when we get to those things or those situations, we know how to navigate them better. Guys, thank you so much for the love and the support, the likes, the shares, the comments. I see you guys coming back repeatedly. Next time, I'm going to just have a list of names that I'm going to call out and give shout outs to all the people that are commenting because I can see you guys coming back to our show frequently and just engaging and commenting. This really just encourages our guests and also just inspires other people to want to come through to the show. If you've got a story that you want to share or if you want to open up about something that you're experiencing, please don't hesitate to drop us a message on the number that's being showed in screen right now. But alternatively, let's get into today's story and try and see what's going on. Today, I've got two sisters. Sanbonan. What's going on, Jan? Hey, it's a fresh thing that we're doing today. We've got 3 people in studio. We're leveling up step by step. So, I was saying, Abuban.
Okay, nna ka lebitso ke nna Georgina Ditshego Mamaleka ke hlako East Pamrichi.
Okay.
Extension 5 C section.
Okay, my sister.
ka lebitso nna ke Neo Kganye ke tsa Eastland Pamrichi Udini.
Okay, Kodine.
Yes.
Okay. So for the purpose of today's episode, I'm gonna try and keep up with the Zulu because this is a widely accepted language, but I'll switch between Sotho and so on, come back and so on. So please don't kill me. My Sotho is not, on point. I'll try and keep it there. Story sa today, my sister, nkare ke story se jwang without wasting any time. Maybe le ka re jwetsa hore ho etsahetseng ho etsahalang ka taba ya lona.
Okay, re tlile bohloko re le family ka di 25 ka botho ngwana ko ntlong o fihlile ko nna a re ho nna o ba mkwazitse.
Okay.
Kwazitse ke motho ke mlungisi so a re tla o bona ha ke bula mnyako ke tshwere phone ke amlaetela vele ha ke re ke sheba ka mo ka lefting o duma letswele o na le leqiba.
Okay.
And wa bona go re thipa e kene ya bona.
Okay.
So ke bua le nna ntle ke re o ska tsamaya o yo pay revenge ya bo mlungisi o sile tsamaya o mtshwarisa ya bona a gai angeke ke tle ke lwane sister angeke ke tle ke lwane ke re jwa le robala if angeke o tlo o lwane a angeke ngikwazi ukulala cause ngiyapeinelwa ke manje njengoba upeinelwa hambe eclinic ke uzobuya ne J88 ekuseni sizokwazi ukukhapha uye police station uzovula icase hayi wangipholisa wathi hayi ithi ngihambe ngiyofuna imoto yebo. Okay, phuma kwakhe lapho nami bengisazama ukulalisa umntwana. Is around 2 leso sikhathi leso. By around 3 hakubo makora past 3 bese kuba nomuntu omemezayo lapha egate.
Okay, so ukukhatha my sister, I want to go back kancane ne. How do you guys relate? Maybe before singane endabeni ngifuna uku-understand ukuthi i-relationship. Okay. That's how you relate. Yes. And then before we get into the victim story, I wanted to understand, Uri, who is this person and how do you relate to them? tell them about their upbringing and your relationship with this person.
The brother or
Yeah, the brother-in-law or Stepiwe. Is it your
ke
brother?
last born ya ko nna o latela nna.
Okay,
Oh.
okay. No problem. Na le motho ke motho o jwang basically.
Yo ke hard worker, motho o tsheyang. Yeah, motho o ratang ke batho.
Ne?
Ke motho wa batho.
Did you ever know him to be a person associated with trouble or azanka?
Nka be ke bua maka. A se motho le problem angeke utlwe ko strateng ba re itlang ke wa lwana.
Okay.
Or na untshontshe umuntu vimbani
Okay. So then on that day when he comes to the door, you were still telling me about Uguti, what happened from that experience, and I hear you mentioning this person who you say did this. Konje, what's the name?
Mlungisi.
Mlungisi. How do you relate with Mlungisi?
Mlungisi ke autham ya ko kasi o violent.
Okay. He's known to be a violent person.
No.
He's not violent.
O violent go corrupt.
Okay. Okay, the troublesome person. Okay. I think then you can proceed with the story because I was just looking for context to understand what's the point of departure with everyone. I want to understand how does everyone fit in. And then when he goes, because you were last telling me that he left to go and find a car.
So after nna ne ke sa zama go robadisa ngwana ke re ke tla tswa le yena vele ke make sure o ya police station. So a qeta go robadisa ngwana ke re ke a goba strateng a ke sa mbona ke khone o tseba go ile odimo o go ile tlase. So ka khutlela ka tlung. By 3:15 wa bona umuntu omemeza la phe gateing. Johnny ke big brother waka.
Okay.
Nna le siko na ile Limpopo that Friday yona eo tsamaile by around 8.
Okay.
Johnny, Georgina, phumane. Bese ke re ngwana ausi wa ka a tswe. Jwale ke ba le nthola ya go what if ke bolaisa ngwana because ke msiwe re ke tswe le yena. A re fihla ke shimane wa neighbor ya rona mona. O go tjeke kwenzeni ozani nizobona utjeke kwenzeni. Saqala uyalila yabo. Bese nna ke go ngwana eso ke re maybe Jake o faintile yabo. O collapsed. Hayi bese ke tsosa abuti wa ko ke mlatelang. Ke re phela ba re Jake ke yo strateng a re yo bona yabo. And by that time bana ba ka ba ithuba ba kena le bona ba khobetseng le bona o ba la grade 3 o mo ke grade 3 wala grade 3 le o wa 1 to 4 months. So ke jumpela next door ke kopa bana ba sekolo ke re kopa le nkatele bana ba ke atla ke yo bona motho wa leng strateng. Ha ke fihla strateng thola le ngwana Yesu Jake a ke re ke mtshwara ke thola le go se bata le o bata.
So when you get there ko strateng what's the condition like? Ke batho hona le batho mo.
Hona le batho na le maponisa. And a ke fihla ke thola le go ba re ambulance se e fihlile ya thola le go sa fitile vele. Bese ambulance ya tsamaya wa sala maponisa mo.
So it's been a while since a le mo.
Ke nana re vele kana kona ila ya go 2 ha tswa. Maybe o kopane le the guy futhi because re mthotsana le 7 hole mmeleng wa hae.
Aibo.
Madi a tletse strata.
So the people that tell you the story as to what happened, what do they say?
Ana motho a tsebang go etsaetseng mara ona le batho ba loreng ke di witness ba boneng. Because that day no na le koloi ne ba hijacker or batho ba bone go na le motho a go betseng strateng. So motho wa koloi ba mo hijacker ngwa screamer so batho ba strateng ba etsang ba zama go ba ka di festere tsa bona. So dikoloi ha di lightile wa bonahala go motho ke o la kwa tlase o robetse. Bese ha o ntse bo batho bo di neighbors a di utlwa le rata le after dikoloi tse la qeta o tsamaya ya ba lo gambane o bona na ngomuntu lapha phambili ulela. So ba ga ba fihla ba thola le go ngwana heso bese ba tla ba tlo matha ba tlo go kokotela.
Yo.
Because ke strata se o jump se one ke se ka mo ke hae. And wa bona re motho na zama o ya ntlung. And le di footsteps tsa teng strateng wa bona re di na le gap na matha.
Okay. So king the bona di footsteps ka madi how are you?
Madi re mthotse le ka dikausi. The guy o nkile dieta tsa hae. Dieta le kepisi re mthotse ha o mshimane o.
So because then hona le that thing ya re le dithotse ko ho yena Tell me about what happens then from the incident going forward. Le fihlile mo la bona ke yo ngwana lona o lemetse, then what happens?
Baba bohloko cause vele mthola sa bata. Ena go shaba ke nna ngwanyana ke liwane ka ga bashimane ba i3. So bile bohloko haholo a tsanga even need today a ke so tshepi.
Ish. So ha le tsamaya then ha etsalang?
Re dutse until saying the forensic di mnkile ka bo 10.
Heaven.
It's meaning sele Sunday ne. Yeah, sele a ke re ne le Friday ka di 25. Ne Saturday.
So he stayed from the previous night.
Yeah.
So you guys stayed there from the previous night.
Ke ntlong ko nyantsha ngwana ke sheba bana ba le ba school. Cause ke bana ba banyane ba ne ke ba katisitse bana.
So from the previous night on Friday kana komang?
Bo makora past 20 past
3 a.m.
So
until
10
the following day. You were just sitting there alone. Ba mo kwetse mo ho
ya
etsetse.
maponisa a itse re qeta mbona be se ba mkwana.
How was that experience for you?
Oh no le bohloko cause ka nna ko se o tlo fihla di forensic ya ditlomong kana sa tletse di tshotshwane ntotshwane. No le bohloko haholo. O mbona ka tsela ela go ka ngwana e suke le shodu ene ka noko ke motho a lokileng.
And then ba monka ba reng ho lona?
Ra ngwadisa statement maponisa a lata the guy same time cause community lona ne kwatile everyone na kwatile le bana ba banyane ne ba lla motho moholo kaofela. Cause ke motho le gore ha bona bana ba padisa bana. Like motho a di jokes la ka mfa msebetsi ke motho le gore wa iphandela o hlatswa dikoloi o clean jarete tsa batho wa mfa msebetsi wa o etsa.
Yo. And then haba so maponisa ha tswa mo ho lona se lengwetse statement. Ba tseba jwang hore ke ena khotsa are they taking?
A ke nna ke fihla ke a bua story sa go etsetseng.
Okay.
Ha ba ya mo vele ba thola the guy le girlfriend ya hae. Ba tshwele bona gore vele ba mkwazitse ke le na tshwere botlolo moshimane na tshwere thipa le maponisa mthotsi le thipa eo. Ntse nkutlusa mohloko gore no the guy o tswile o teng locationeng ha re bua so. O tswile Monday ka court Monday ne le court and rona re patile sa Saturday ka di 1
ka di 3 guy a tswa ka pele 5,000.
Yo.
le girlfriend ya hae.
So they did this
And
together.
ha re dule hole. And where's part to papa la strateng sa rona.
Yo.
Ha o ya taxi o feta bo moshimane
Ne?
ha o ya kae o feta mo.
Motho o re buang ka ena ona le dijara tse kae o your brother o
Jackie ko 94.
And then this other guy lena are they same age group?
Ke mkhala jola ba rona le 40 mamang ke tlile ko court ke 46 sorry. Kwa 83.
So bona when they narrate the story from their side ba re ho etsetseng, did you ever get
Ba ya dumela khoza ke re ko court ba bana statement jole ntwe mmakatsang go why ba malokolla. A re hane ba re ke ditokelo tsa motho mara ntlitseng ka ba benyana.
So ba admit or vele we did this.
A ke re that day maponisa tlo balata ha ba re qokane nizobona ukuthi nenzeni. Diaparo tse ba dinkang tse ba ne ba ke tsene ba diapere mo bana. Dina le madi.
Ke evidence mos.
Ene le thipa e ba kunhlabileng ka yona maponisa a inkile.
Hey, that's something else. So ya no ha ba banka ba tsamaya le bona, are they going to show them because go tlo re ba re
Yeah, e fihlile vene mola e ba palamisitse ka morao. Ngwane se go betse fatshe mona.
The funny thing is that there's a confession. Ba confess or ke rona vele. Did they ever tell you why they did what they did?
A re so ka re kopana. Cause ba itso banka Monday wa teng bana ba ya court ba bone fela ko court.
Yo.
Ya ba lo gore nna ha gabe ke tshwantse re lokise ntho tsa funeral ene re pata Limpopo tshwantse re tsamaye re Limpopo.
So ya no le a court on that same Monday. kgotsa
e latelang
e latelang?
a ke re ntho e etsetse Friday
Ee.
Monday ya ba first appearance go court
So tell me ha le ya court le tsamaya le ikae le mang?
tsamaile le community cause ke bile le ntho gore ke shape phala ke bitse mphakathi gore kopa le nthuseng le support gore call le nkhaphe court cause ha e qale o etsa ntweng Jackie ke stopo sa bo stream matsong a hae.
So he's done this twice before.
Yo story sa hae le community ko gore no re lebetse list because ne re signa ne re etsa
Petition.
petition as a le community ke lebetse pampiri tsa teng ke tla le bontsha tsona.
Yo.
O bolaile le ngwana ha ba mlatelang mntana kubo o ntsha batho mahlo o tabula batho dibono ka thipa so re le community vele le community yalla mara no bane o teng o ka re ba ya tshaba.
So let's go back. If you've got any background with these other two that he did, how much of that do you know? Can you tell us about the other two instances or the other two murders that he did?
O le kwasitse ngwana bone ba le tshuntlong gore ne ba lwanelang a ke tsebe a tshwarwa. And no kuna na case ya ngwana habo e santse le on mara no ba re case ya ngwana habo a se ntho ya gale taba ya ngwana habo.
Mara ke 2020 ka October.
Le no ke October bolaile ngwana heso.
So ngwana wa habo o mo bolaile wa mo gwaza then he passed
Ba le
away.
ka tlung ha qeta ena ka ipitsetsa maponisa. Nka
And then-
family ya pheta ya yo montsha bona le no family ke etsang e mo beitse for to duma ntho a entseng.
And then wa bobedi yena, how does that happen?
O wa o qala ke tsebo ka re ke tsebo rena dula kae o ka re le Natal ne o hla le Natal mshima le Natal ko ba leile maqala ona a o bolaya.
And then unfortunately the third one is your brother.
Yes.
Yo.
O shwella pia. Taba bona e qadile ka pia.
No, it's a lanka.
O tlile le girlfriend guy mlungisi o tsamaya le girlfriend ya hae.
Okay.
Ngwana e se o tshwere dipia o di tshwarisa ngwanyana o mong o tlwetse o nwa le yena. O ya toilet ka ya e butswing. Ngwanyana o bane o qhashitse mo o dulang yena mlungisi. Maybe nkile advantage eo. A
Okay.
topa pia e one a e bula. Jackie ya khutla toilet. A thola pia ngwanyana a butse pia a go bula jwang pia yaka. Because pia ke futhi ke ka letsonga ene futhi a ke le wena. So boyfriend mlungisi ha sheba a bona ba le ba bua. A bona ka o hlukumeza cherry ya hae. Ke maqala ngona ntsha thipa mgwaza taverning. Ke mo Jackie ya mathelang ntlong a tlo mpontsha re mlungisi o mgwazitse. Unsiang ha ka o ma hae ntlong o tsula re o batla go transport.
Which means le yena ne ba motsoma then from Kotaveti.
Ke nana jwalo ka nako a tlo tswa round 2 a tlo thola 6 hole ya ikopana le one ba 7 hole because wa bona re kana ka mkgo a limetseng ka teng ba re na o ile la isoa ke mo tabotse msipha o ene so kona o lositse mmadi a hole o felwa ke matla na ditse so di hole tse buang ka tsona ke dimo tse 6 tse song se small sa 7 maqeba teng a ya thusa o hloko
ke ntho e nngwe man. Community e reng yona when you guys meet le bua ka ntho?
community ya re support re a court re le ngata no wa ke tsebe go etsalang like ya ke tsebe go etsalang or maybe ba ya tshaba ke tsebe so that's why nna ke khonne gore ke ntsame gore ke batle thuso.
Tell me about the funeral. La organize a funeral fihla. How did that experience go for you having to put your brother to rest?
Yo le no ba so tshepa tse ka re santse le toro. Because wa utlwa ke ngwanyana o iwane ka ga bashimane ba i3 ke last born o tshore nna le yena re so.
What are other members of the family bona?
Hai family ya ka ke bona bo brother ba ka.
Okay. All right. Kwa hae ko Limpopo ho dula
A
mang?
o dule motho se ntse re dula re kwetse.
Okay.
Tata ka o hlokaetse ka COVID ha o tlo qala COVID mme wa ka 2023 no se le
Oh, so ha le ya le tsamaya le jwalo just to go le o mme le ba bang ba leloko la family. Okay. Maponisa, the investigating officer, what happened? Do you ever get to connect with that person what happens? Do you ever get to know who etsahalang fela ka case from the beginning?
A zanga ke kopane le yena cause ke khutlile Limpopo Thursday tabe ke utlwa ke ka Wednesday or mlungisi o teng ba mbone is meaning o tswile Monday.
So when how so ka bua le investigating officer ever since?
O tshwereng case a ke so bue le yena
How much
mara ke a mtseba.
Uslo azama or to get in touch with that person to find out?
Go nako ka ebile nyana o tla ke khutlile Thursday ke Friday today re tsa shooting we bona.
Okay.
And ka weekend day I nka se mthola ma CID ha thola ha le ka di weekend.
Ka di weekend. Ntho e etsetseng
Ka 25
tsa
October.
this month ke ntho ya no.
Re mpatile ka di 1.
Yo,
tsa November.
ke ntho ya maobane mos.
Yena ka di 3 a tswa kae
E bana.
le girlfriend ya hae. So ntho e yang hlokomeza haholo.
Wait, psychologically, I'm thinking we're talking about something that happened a long time ago.
That's why go tlile bohloko. That's why re le mo go tlisa ke yona ntho utlwa bohloko a no mo re ka llelang teng. Because ke a bona maponisa a ya re fail ke bona ka re there is something behind the story
So on that first court experience, what happened from the moment like in a court? Maybe tell me about his character, the demeanor, how mosheba motho la shebana, who is along in your engagement between them.
Bohloko na ke mo heleditse ko khotshane lo. A sheba ka re o inja. No ka nka mtshwara ka matsoho. Because ke motho lo nga kopana le yena ke tsheisana le yena how come a etse ntho so cause re bo makasana ba ibona. And how come a etse ntho so mothong o so.
O bontsha o itsola.
Hana litsola ha itsoli ona. A ke re ka o jwetsa ke re ntho tsa di etsang di tsule o ka kwaza motho di bona o ga dule jwang. O ka batla go gaola motho di private party. Ntho tse ke di buang ke diketso tsa hae science batho jwalo batho ba bang ba mtloella fela ba ya thula ba go tla di bona
Nana fair. Ene motho o khutlile
yena
hape.
ka qala wa mthitsa o mathela police station ha o qeta sa re o mpatale o tla kwala case ya
case.
ke ka mokgwa phelang ka teng
So which means ba bang o kgonne o ba bolaya mara ba bang ke bona ba a ba lematsang.
ba di private party ntsha batho mahlo ke bua so ka se na le guy o na le lihlo le i1
because of motho.
yeah a le ntshitse ona mo taveneng yena ya ntse kwatsetsang ba a kwatsetseng ngwana e so teng ha re dilo hole le tavern ke khona maybe ke ntlo ke jareta with 5 so wa bona gore motho a ntle ke molao wa re faila wa re hlokomeza because motho o tla nna tle taveneng
Exactly.
ke strateng sa rona ha ona gore ke dule ke ikwalletse nna ke tlo fila jwang nna nka tsala ka reactor maponisa ka senlate.
And everyone knows what you have done. So yanong o khutlela back to the same tavern because even as a community.
And ntho engwe ke tsebang ka molao ha nka o shapa ka mpama assault ha ba yo ntsha mola ba tlo ntjwetsa gore ha ona family somewhere at least o dile 1 month nyana or 2 months o tla khutla kasi why o ba mkhutlisa
O khutla straight ko.
why ba mkhutlisa go bane ke rona family ya rona ha ona motho molo ba re nyaditse.
It's always the case with most of batho ba leng ba tlhakana le ntho tshwanang le ya hao le khotsa le ya lona because all of these people ba tswa and ha ba tswa ba khutla ona mo re dulang teng wa bona. I don't know what process is being put in place to protect us as victims, but most of the times people who are committing these crimes are let go and they come back to stay with us hona mo.
Na le batho ba tshwarang ba sa etsa nix o wa 7 hole hai
And as a case ya o qala
le se ke tshwere case ya ngwana habo I think e sentse le on just una le tjotjonyana e etsala una le sentho e etsalang
ke ngwa sebetsa o e thola ka
a
tšhelete.
sebetsa una le di room mola
Okay.
and le story se ke se tsebang gore na shapa ntate wa hae cause ntate wa hae o qeta o fihla no se ba hodile okay so fika manje ngoba se bonang kunama room la ufuna imali ama room ntate wa hae na metse protection order ha kene ka tlung fella ka di room why today ntate wa hae a mo bail.
Hey, it's scary, man.
wa bona ga re safe le rona mos
So when lona as lelemo going forward le ka rata go bona eng e etsagala?
re batla justice for Jake o bono tse magato a ona
if case tla me qale fatshe batla go tse gore how come o tsho motho lefu la motho ke 5,000 because lo pata motho se 5,000 yes
and ba molokolotse
yes o ka ntla jwang because o tlamela a dule ka hare
exactly
yes then usane if there's something happened wena mlungisi ba tlo mathisa rona yes
and it's gonna happen again.
yes because lo
a se rona fela ba kwatileng community kwatile ke ba tlo bua maka maybe o iwana ka tla thola chance eo ya gore a mo utlwise bohlokong re di first suspect ba tlo mathela go rona kere mara ile bona ba qetang go montsha no
and ntho e ntseng vele you are right a affecta lona fela e affectile le batho ba bang ba leng gore o ne a ba lematsa even before because the moment I was
pheta phela ntho e etsang wa pheta.
Have you spoken to your counselor locally, your leadership structures? Ba ke ba kene ditabeng tsa lona ba za mo check gore ntho tsa lona di tsamaya jwang?
one thing I will say le bona ba ke mamenemene the side ma ponisa ga sa yo ona because ba re faila batho bale ya la tla sna cheleta o
ne ka re ba sheba le malapa ke re ke ntle ke bona ka re ba judge feme ba re judge ntle because lo hlokahaleng a Jake same day go monka a go msheba strateng sele sentse una le dipuo tsa ga ke khomuntu osebenza lapha bazabe bagijima ngephepha lapha badinga ama donation ukuthi ba elimpopo banqwabe
hayibo
yes
and okwa batho bona ba bantsing batla mo ba ntse batla mo ba tutuza ba ga o shema wa bona re phela le batho ba wrong so look na go lumlawo maponisa go ba batle information ka gona ba bona ga imo lai
ona ntho
e ka ntoketse ngeke ba itse plan ba
ga bana matla
e tlo fella moe until next never.
Sorry guys, this is one of those cases happen where we see already the law works for people ba leng gore ba na le tšhelete gore nka re molao o ntshitswe batho ba leng gore ba na next ko ona mo tshwantseng o sebetse teng and when it works against you not for you it's a very unfortunate case that's happening. Have you guys seek legal counsel, lawyer nyana? You don't know, ne? So there's a lady who's currently that we're working with. She's not practicing, but she's able to give you guys advice in terms of the legal proceedings or as time goes on. Like no, I can let her court. She will explain to you.
Reminder, I think the 12th December.
12, ne? So tell says or what's supposed to happen if le appeal that bail. How do you do it and stuff like that. She understands the legal process in terms of how we're supposed to work. We'll refer you guys to her so that you can speak to her.
Okay.
Yeah. And then maybe when she's comfortable, we can put her numbers on the screen and showcase her to people so that other people because mostly as a community we've got an assumption the law needs to take its course, but what does the law exactly have to do? So, but thank you so much for coming and sharing. Do you mind sharing your numbers so that if there's anyone out there over phone
no, don't mind.
Okay, so you can give your numbers to the camera and also tell people or have a phone about all
right. 069 535 6250. I'm always available. So whoever at shebang this show, just justice for our brother. So the people are too much. Kuri kya goa. But ba re ba goa kim jolo. Na ki kuis kim jolo. Ki kuisa ki na taba siwa kiro bale. Yana na kya ipotore why ikare ka mbitsa mkhonazi mo leng teng le sa mtsipi cause nongiso hetsile too much o re hetsile Ngiyacela uxa buhlungu boso.
I'm so
Yeah,
sorry, my sister. Yeah. Guys, so you've heard it. The ladies have given out their contact details. We always ask people to say, guys, come through and assist where you see fit, where you see possible. But we don't get the help or the feedback that we're expecting. So as a channel, we've actually just decided to try and sort of reach out to different people that can assist us. We've got someone who's giving us legal advice at the moment, but they're not practicing. They're just here, just showing us the ropes in terms of what it is that people must do in terms of getting the best from this system that is not working for us. We would love to partner with you if you are running a law firm, if you are, really taking it a step forward in terms of being able to help and assist people. We'd love to partner with you. Please drop us an email. Please drop us a text. Drop us a DM. Please comment on the comment section. Give us our contact details. We'd like to talk to you so that we can then be able to continue serving the nation and helping the people. The other thing that I have in my mind when I listen to this story is that there are so many structures in our communities. If you go back to where we come from, you will find that if you are in the townships, you've got political parties that are there. You've got churches that are there. You've got, government also with their respectable structures that are supposed to be there helping us. But none of these things work. I have never heard of anyone who came here and spoke about the fact that some of the counselors within the area came through to us to try and see how they can assist us, because those are people that we look up to. Those are people that have got the connections and the relationship with the entities that can assist us in resolving these issues, but those people are quiet. So if you're a counselor in a community and you're not attending to issues such as this, what's your job? What are you doing? If you're a political party that's standing to represent the people and help aid them in their pain and their cries, what's your job? What's the point of having you? If you are CPF, Community Policing Forum, and you are there as a structure that's supposed to assist law enforcement in preventing such things, what are you doing? What's your objective if you're not helping with such issues? We've got so many structures that are available. Also, we've got churches, corner to corner. You've got a church everywhere. People are crying out there. This is some of the more advanced problem that people are going through. There is a child out there that's sleeping without eating anything, but you call yourself a church who's able to serve the nation and whatever. What's your purpose? What are you actually doing for the people? Or are you just collecting contributions on a weekly? There are so many structures and people who claim to stand to represent the good that people can do. A lot of people stand to claim to be, helpers of the community. But when cases like this happen, they are nowhere to be seen. What's your part in the community? As a people, we have nowhere to run to. When painful crimes happen to us, we lose our loved ones. The same people that come through to our house to also sort of bring us bereavements are also talking about us badly behind our back. This is the South Africa that we're living in today. This is the unfortunate case that you find yourself experiencing. And if you think that this is far from you, think again, because the moment that this happens in your household, you will really see what we're talking about. Other people treat this as entertainment. This is all just a show. I'm just watching to enjoy and pass time. But here we're talking about real incidents, real things that are going to happen. When they happen, maybe you'll start to see what we're talking about here. So let's go back to square one. Let's go back to ground level. It's unfortunate that Kokasi, we don't even talk to Makelwan. Sometimes you find that we don't even talk to each other. When things like this happen, there's no way that we can expect help from anywhere. Our communities are such a dark place to live in. They are such a dark place to live in. If you talk to people that stay in your middle class areas, boasting about the fact that money last week in stress. That's a very sad case. Now we grow up in our township where the mom next door is your mother and the lady next door is your mother. And when they see you going through what you're going through there, they actually cover that spot. I remember there was a point where I had a running tummy. I think I had a viral infection or something. My tummy was running. I just wanted to go out and sit in the sun. Took my shirt off and I said, the lady next door actually took some pills and gave them to me. Said, you know what, come to my house, come stay there until your mom comes back. When she's back, then she'll able to tend to you. But in that instance, when she's not there, come, I can't let you go through what you're going through sitting there. Right now, there are witnesses that are standing away. You literally know what happened when this thing happened, when the guy was stabbed and when he lost his life. You were there. You saw the whole thing, but you are hiding. You understand? When this happens to someone in your family, you'll be the first one criticizing people, or why don't people come forward and talk on behalf of my brother? Whereas when it happened with you, you never took a stand to sort of come forward and address this. So it's unfortunate that as a community, we are living in the same place, but we're not living together. We're actually living against each other. And it's such a sad thing. You understand? And law enforcement is able to ignore us because Rona, from where we come from, we're not together. Understand? People like this are able to do it time and time again. Why? Because we condone these things. Understand? A person like this should not even be allowed to work in the community freely. But because we are not living together as a community, things like this give themselves power. And now this guy, to his crew, to his gang, is a hero now. You understand? They're like, man, that guy, that man is next. Why? Because he's been there, he's come out for the third time now. You understand? On top of the other things that he has done, nothing's happening. So now he's going to have role models now. You understand? He's a role model to other people that are going to do what he's doing, because again now we are promoting his character and the things that he's doing. So when you unpack this and you discuss this thing, it's much deeper than the way it sounds. And now we're not in that community. As a neighbor, you've got a child, oyang skolong. He or she, that child is working in that community where people are able to do that. And you feel safe, he's going to pass all these criminals. Do you think he's safe in that space? So it's something that we must think about, to say, what sort of community are we building? Where are we going as a country? And let's not even take it to a level here country. Let's keep it kokasi, to say that when you let things like this go, what's your objective? What's your point? What do you think will happen? Unfortunately, you think you are isolated from this whole thing. No, wait until your child disappears and we discover that child somewhere. Then you will know the kind of community that you're staying in. But I'm just saying, as a community, let's be responsible. Anything that happens in your community is happening to you. Whether it's in your household, whether it's in your yard or not, whatever it is that's happening, it's happening to you. And it's highly likely that if you allow that to happen, it will come back straight into your yard. So if there's anyone out there who's able to really come close to us, let's partner. If you're a law firm, you want advertising space, we've got enough followers in the channel. We've got enough people that view what we are, streaming on a weekly for you to get the eyes that you need. But let's partner. Let's try and do something together that will help someone somewhere for nothing, right? Be selfless. Help someone for nothing, and just say, I want to help this person because at least for me to get to where I am, there was someone who had to come in and help me and not expect anything. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope that this episode has made a difference, has opened your eyes to the unfortunate circumstances that we're living in as a country and as a society. I hope that we will stand up and do something about it. Let's come partner together. Let's help someone somewhere. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't hesitate to comment, say something in the comments, DM us, send us an email. We are willing to hear from you. If you've got a similar story and you want to share in terms of how you lost your loved one, in terms of how you experienced an unfortunate ordeal where you are staying, this is your platform. Come through. Let's talk about these things. The more we talk about these things, the more taboo it becomes, because a majority or minority of us still feel that things like this can't happen, and no one takes a responsibility, and no one takes responsibility. It can't be acceptable. So let's come together. Let's talk about it and resolve it. Please don't forget to like, share, and follow. Let's get to 100K subs. That's our next target. But thank you so much for being with us from the beginning of this channel up till to where we are now. We are really what we are because of you guys. Thank you so much for being here. Let's come together and grow as a nation. From me, our guests, and the guys in studio, it's cheers for now.